You'll love this Canva tutorial. It's also my first video on YouTube. Today, we're going to learn how to create a 3D phone pop-out effect like this on Canva. Let's bring in a photo, right-click, set it as background. Now go to Elements and select a phone frame. Now go to Photos and select the image of, and then bring it into your photo frame. Make sure to first adjust it and then lock it in place. Now bring in the same photo of the elephant, and this time let's remove the background by using Background Remover. The next step is very important. You want to make sure you first align it to the original. Honestly, it will take a little bit of practice to get it just right. But once you do, you can crop it like this to get this really cool pop-out effect. Doesn't that elephant look like it's outside out of the phone? Okay, let's make it a little bit more realistic. Go to Elements and type in Sand. Select the sand element, right? Click, Layer, Show Layers. Now move that sand into a bottom layer like this, and that's how you do it. Make sure to save this for later. You're on your way to becoming a pro designer. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Heh heh.